Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day. I'm sure many of us read our research papers on our devices, yeah, and we would annotate, maybe highlight or do notes, on the PDF document. I'm going to share with you how can we extract data from the PDF file direct into Excel. Yeah? Say for example you have tables like this and you want to extract the data and do analysis straight away. These are just small tables, but there are papers that has a lot of huge tables, and you might want to do a quick analysis on the data on the table So there is a very simple way of doing that. Okay, I'm going to show you two ways of doing it. The first one is to use a software, an app called PDF to XLS Converter. Okay, so you can download the software, and when you download it and execute it, you're gonna get this screen. So you just select the PDF. I have already selected one page from a paper that has a table. If you were to convert everything from PDF to Excel, the whole paper, you will get sort of a lot of garbage. So be specific. Just choose the table that you wanted to convert and use that. So I've already got the table. Okay, this is the one. Yep. Okay, select, convert. So it will do the converting. It will convert the table into Excel. Right. So yeah, this is the one. So you open it with Excel, and you get this table. Yeah. If you want to look at the actual table, I'll show you the actual table. It's not there. Here it is. This is the actual table. Okay, so maybe you want to do some analysis on the data in the table, so you can convert this table directly into Excel. Of course, in my past videos, I've mentioned that data that you get, raw data that you get, are most of the time dirty. So many things that you have to do to it. So you have to do some wrangling with the data, cleaning it up, so that it is ready for analysis. Okay, that's one way. There is a simpler way, actually. If you were to open Excel, let's do it. Excel, let's go for a new sheet. Okay, now if you notice, sorry, I'll just save a copy. Right, so if you open Excel, Excel Mobile has a very interesting way of actually getting data into the sheets, which is down here. Can you see? Look at the cursor. There you go. Right, so what you do is you actually take a picture of your data, and Excel will convert it. Okay, so if you look at the data that we have, let's just take it, just take the picture. Okay, and the picture is already in, sorry, the PDF is already inside there. So I'll just no, hold on, let's do it again. Let's go back to this data. Right, this is a PDF file. So in order to take a picture, I have to do a screen capture. So I'll just capture the screen. Okay, so the screen is captured. Then I will go to Excel, right? And then just click data from picture, and I'll go to import the picture from the gallery, and here it is. Okay, so I'll select just the table, okay, it should be alright. Right, confirm. So Excel will automatically do the necessary processes, the OCR, optical character recognition, and it will automatically input the data from the graphic file. Okay, open. Right, there you go, and you have your Excel input. Again, as I've mentioned earlier, there are a lot of things in the data that you have to clean up before it's ready for analysis. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful for your analysis purposes, getting the data straight from your PDF research papers, or taking a picture, and Excel can straight away read the graphic file and convert the graphic file into your data. Okay, thank you very much.